Welcome and welcome back. Do I have a hair stuck to my chin? Not the hair on my chinny chin chin. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kerry. I'm so very fly. Oh my. It's a little bit scary, especially because we are approaching spooky season and I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online. And today's video I'm super excited because I'm bringing you guys another wig review slash first impression slash install tutorial, and this time it's featuring a brand called Yolova Hair that I have never worked with before, so I'm really excited to learn more about them and try them out. And I got the T-part lace frontal wig that's a loose deep curly hair Brazilian virgin human hair lace frontal wig. I'll leave the link in the description box as well as a link to their site down below, of course, so that you guys can check out everything about Yolova while you're watching this video. And I got this in 24 inches. And of course, peep the description box if you want a coupon. I'm not going to make this intro super long though, so if you're interested, keep on watching, but first make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as turn on the post notification bell, that way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glaminista08 pretty much everywhere, that way you can stay tuned and see behind the scene looks at all the girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're just gonna get right into everything. Alright guys, so I know I look a little crazy. For those of you guys who might be curious about how I fit my hair into my wigs, like I've said in the past, I have a big head, I'm not even gonna lie. So I don't like to wear a wig cap if I don't have to, which I know sounds crazy. My whole wig process is untraditional, let me start there. But I don't like to wear one because if I already have the pressure of the wig on my head plus a wig cap and it's squeezing my head, I'm going to get a headache. So what I do is, if I'm being lazy like I am today, I just put my hair into a regular bun. Hold on. So I'll take my hair and just pull it back, make sure that the part is wherever I want to wear my part. 9 times out of 10 it's going to be on my left side because I don't really go for middle parts that much. But I just put my hair into a regular bun, low bun like this, and then I just make a little hole in between where the nape of my neck is and where my bun starts. And I just tuck that baby right up in there, okay? Then I'll kind of move her around a bit to flatten her out. But this is how I finesse having somewhat flatter hair for wigs. But if I'm not feeling lazy and I really want my wig to last all day, if it's something special, then I'll braid my hair. But even then, I don't do a lot of cornrows or anything like that. I just usually do 2 braids and call it a day. But enough about what I'm doing before. Let's talk about this wig. So this wig, again, is from Yolova Hair. Shout out to Yolova. I am so excited because I did open it to peep at it, and I think this is going to be beautiful. So it came in a box like this. So once I took off the little holographic thing, it just looks like this. And you slide out the wig like so. I love this packaging, by the way. I just love this holographic box. This is so cute. And you could definitely reuse it for decor, which I'm going to, because even the inside is holographic. But the wig itself comes in a Yolova hair bag. So I think this is so chic, and the bag is satiny material, and you get a lot of goodies, okay? They gave you some tweezers, which I appreciate because you have to customize your wig, so you need a good pair of tweezers. Also comes with a wig cap, which most wigs do come with, and again, I probably won't use it for this video because my head's too big. And then you get the wig, which is also in a separate bag so it doesn't get entangled with anything. And then they also send you a little pair of eyelashes, which I thought was sweet. I'm always for the wig companies that will send you extra goodies. Opening her up. This wig, again, I will have the information, the links, the 411 in my description box for you guys to check out. This is a human hair wavy wig, lace front, pre-plucked, which I didn't know. I might still pluck it a little bit, but I have to see it first. And this is the texture of the hair. I'm definitely going to brush her out to make the waves looser, but I didn't want to do it before filming this video because I wanted to have this journey with you guys. So I'm really excited because I was like, this is about to be so beautiful. But before I even put this on, this hair is a natural black color, so I appreciate that it will actually match me. Sometimes wig companies will send me a brown wig and call it natural black, but it's brown. This is natural black. The hair also does not smell weird. It smells good. It's very soft, shiny, but not like that weird synthetic shine. So we just want to put her on, okay? Now I did say that my wig install process is untraditional because I don't glue down my wigs. I don't do any of that because I want to be able to take it off easily and I don't want to damage my hairline or anything like that. So I do my little ratchet way of installing a wig, so I'm going to show you guys. So first, before I do anything else, I'm going to just plop this wig on with the lace on top of my head. And this wig has the traditional straps to tighten, to change the tightness of the wig, and then it also does have the combs, so your wig is not trying to slide nowhere, girl. I'm going to loosen both of these straps here because she needs all the stretch she can get, okay? I'm just going to place her on. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like before it's actually finalized, before I comb it out, before I pluck it or anything, and it does have little baby hairs, but you can see it already is starting with a part. So I like to align the wig's part with my own as much as possible, because once you pluck it, you want to see skin, so obviously it needs to go above your part. I'm going to take the tweezers that they sent, and I'm going to pluck the part a little bit more before I even handle the lace, because I think this will be easier doing so. If you are afraid that you might go through the wig and pluck your own hairs, then I recommend plucking with a mannequin or plucking with your wig cap on. But already you can see the part's kind of already there. I didn't even have to do that much. And this lace goes pretty far back, so I think I'm going to pluck a little bit more further. But they did most of the work for me already, which is fantastic. Okay, ladies and gents, we have our part. Now don't get me wrong, I know I still look ridiculous with this lace on and the wig's not even down all the way, but next I am going to part the red seas of these waves. I'm going to take my comb and brush out this hair to get the full experience of the waves. I also recommend combing after you pluck your part, because you'll have a few strands that you might not have gotten rid of that are going to be loose, so you kind of want to get them out of your wig. But already look at the difference. So this is the hair not combed through, and then this is the beautiful texture, the volume I'm living for, and I like it because again it looks like my hair. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. This is giving me like old school glamour vibes. So I've done that, but I'm not going to style her yet because now I'm going to actually cut the lace so I can get a better idea of what it's going to look like. Now you can cut the lace on your head if you want to, but we ain't doing that because again I don't have a wig cap on, so my hair is exposed and I'm not trying to cut off my actual hair. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to cut off the lace, but I'm going to leave every bit of hair there. I'm not plucking the hairline or anything since I'm blending this with my natural hairline. So I'll be back to show you. Alright y'all, guess who's back in the house? Okay, so I took the lace off, and this is where I start to get a little untraditional, and I think part of this is because of my whole big head plus hair problem. I like to cut the lace as close as I possibly can, and I don't worry about customizing the side and anything like that because as you can see, I wear my wigs already pretty far back on my head. And that's because it makes it a lot easier for you to blend and look natural as long as you have the right color and a few little tricks. So the first thing that I like to do is I look for the lace. You can do this on your lace before or after you apply. I like to do this while it's on my head just because it's easier. But I take some brow powder. The one I like to use is by Benefit, but you can just use any that matches your hair color. And I'm just going to go lightly on the line of the lace except for where my part is supposed to meet the part of the wig. And this is just to help blend in the event that you decide to do a very fierce hair flip and you don't want people to see the lace line. Now once that is blended, I just like to take my gel and I'm going to lay my baby hairs with a little bit of the front portions of the wig. And for this, I'm going to take a little corner from the wig and move it downward with the rest of my baby hairs and lightly, almost like you're finger waving it into place, but you just don't want to have too long of a strand or else it looks a little wonky. But because the front of my hair is still being seen but it blends now with the wig, it looks like it is all one as opposed to looking separate. this is the final wig look and I absolutely love it. So let's get into the final wig review. Again, this was my first time trying Yolova Hair and I'm really impressed with the results. I love this because I think that this wig in particular is fun. It's like a mixture between my natural hair texture and the wavy look I usually go for. So it's fun. It's a little different but still in my realm of comfort. I also want to give this company like a huge thumbs up because again, the fact that it matches my hair and looks like it came out of my scalp is a big one because I can't tell you how many times I've gotten wigs that claim to be my hair color and they're not. It's very soft. Again, it's not stinky. It didn't come, you know, in sus packaging or anything like that. And the application was super quick and super easy, especially since they already kind of started the pluck process for you. So you really didn't have to customize it as much as I did if you just wanted to put it on your head. And it feels like great quality and I know this is just gonna last me a really long time. If I had any cons about this wig, I would just say that I would in the future order one that's longer because you guys know I love length, and since this has texture you want to always go for a longer length than you think you need because the texture is going to make it look shorter. But this is something that I feel like I could easily stretch the curl for and get it down to about the length that I'm used to. Plus I think this is actually a really nice like natural fall time length. Okay, let's change it up a little. The only other thing that I would request, and again this is something that is more because of myself than anything else, is I would ask for a larger cap size because I need it. But yeah, overall I definitely recommend this wig. I would give this wig a 9.5 out of 10 because I honestly love it, and again even though the length isn't as long as I had originally wanted, I think this is really pretty. She's so pretty. And again, it's natural. You can heat style it if you want, but it comes styled basically. This is just a look and I'm here for it. So yeah, that is going to be my Yolova hair review for today. If you decide to check out their website, by all means, post on your stories, tag your girl. I'd love to see what you guys decide to buy from the shop, and if you do, leave in the comments what type of wigs you found at Yolova that you're really interested in trying. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!